Hi, I'm Troy from Prestige Rug Spa. Today I'm going to show you two different cleaning methods, one for oriental rugs, one for synthetic rugs. The first step for oriental rugs is to measure, photograph and complete a pre-inspection form. In my company, we clean oriental rugs and synthetic rugs. The method for cleaning synthetic rugs is less expensive. Come and see why and how we clean these rugs. Your rug will hold lots of dry soil that vacuuming alone will not remove. With our machine, we'll remove all the dry soil in 3 minutes with no damage to your rug. This is what comes out of rugs. This is why we recommend cleaning regularly, as it's not healthy to have in your home. For synthetic rugs, we place them in this special wash tub. We place them in here for 30 minutes. This helps to release all the soil. We don't put oriental rugs into the wash tub. We use a specialist hand cleaning method, which is the safest way to clean your expensive oriental rugs. In my company, we think it's very important to clean both sides of the rug. Now we bring the rug into the humidity and temperature controlled drying room. This will stay in the room overnight until completely dry. This will safely dry your rugs. The next day we test every rug with a moisture meter to ensure it's completely dry before it's packaged up and ready to be returned. This one's still wet.